Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of July, 2025. And now, we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our recently launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of June 2025, our system has classified SoundHound AI as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.82. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 7.83% since we initially recommended purchasing SoundHound AI 9 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.87% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 22.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 3.5% to 37.79%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 31.4%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 0.92% to 215.45% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $11.68 and $36.50. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, "Is SoundHound AI Inc. stock still a buy after falling 5.86% on Friday?" The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price declined by 5.86% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of July, 2025. The stock dropped from $12.29 to $11.57. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.67%, with a low of $11.47 and a high of $12.35. The price has seen significant movement during this period, resulting in a gain of 16.63% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume also decreased on the last day, which can be considered a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock. On that day, the trading volume fell by 24 million shares, with a total of 38 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $436,400,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.94. Currently, the price stands 53.68%, or $13.41, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, has recently captured attention due to notable fluctuations in its stock price. On the 10th of July, shares experienced a decline of nearly 5% amid market volatility, even though earlier in July, the stock enjoyed a remarkable increase of 16%. This pullback follows a 3-month surge of 55%, indicating robust investor interest and momentum. Market analysts are pondering whether SoundHound AI can replicate the explosive growth witnessed in AI giants like NVIDIA. The company's advancements in voice AI technology are drawing interest, positioning it as a compelling investment opportunity. With positive market sentiment and a rising demand for AI solutions, there is potential for continued upward movement in its stock, especially as short sellers begin to exit, further supporting price stability. In the short term, this recent pullback may be seen as a buying opportunity for investors eager to capitalize on the company's innovative platform and expanding market. In the long term, if SoundHound can sustain its growth trajectory and effectively navigate market challenges, it has the potential to establish itself as a mainstay in the rapidly evolving AI sector. Investors should monitor developments closely, as upcoming months could significantly influence SOUN's market performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was also reported that Wedbush rated SOUN with a buy grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, H.C. Wainwright again rated SOUN with a buy grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN with an outperform grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated SOUN with an overweight grade and an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which is approximately $11.88. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $10.29. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 10.31%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.12, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 88 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 7.67%. During the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 10.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $12.29. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to think about for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI meets its first support level at $11.12. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a possible rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June, 2025, Sroka Diana executed an insider sale of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kevin executed an insider purchase of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kevin executed an insider sale of 122,712 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kevin executed another insider sale of 131,664 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Imami Majid executed an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 23.454. In total, insiders purchased 4,791,868 shares and sold 6,912,481 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.91, which represents a decrease of 5.68%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. presents several positive signals. However, these do not yet suffice to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might either maintain or gradually increase their position while waiting for further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of July, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by 22.7 cents, starting the day at $11.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.